So this is how you can buy and use proxies on FuProxy. So we have two services, one for 24 hours and one for 30 days. So the benefit of the 24 hours proxy is that you can select any countries and also any ISP to use your proxy from. So let me show you how to buy the 24 hours proxy. So basically, you select a country where you want the proxy to route from. Let's say, for example, you want the proxy to route from United States. You select US, then you select a state. That's optional, but you can select a state if you want to be really specific. So let's say, for example, New York. You see the number of available proxies. So if you want to still be specific too and select an ISP, for example, Verizon, AT&T, you can select the ISP from here. There are various ISP you can select from. So if you select an ISP to tell you if there's any available proxy for that ISP selected. So let's say, for example, I select Verizon, I will see the available of proxies for that ISP. So then the type. So basically, there are two types. There's a shared proxy and there's a private proxy. What the shared proxy basically means is that the proxy that you're renting could also be rented to other people. Max amount of people that it can be rented to is 4 people within your time frame. So if you select the shared proxy, there's a 50% chance that other people might still be able to rent the proxy that you're renting. Whereas if you select the private, you're the only one who's going to rent that proxy within that time period. So you can select shared or you can select private. So let's use shared for this example. So I'll click on submit. So when the order has gone through successfully, I'll see a message like this. So I'll click here to view the proxy. Then I'll see the details of the proxy. So basically you need an app to be able to connect the proxy to. So I'm going to use app. This app is available on both iOS and Android. So this is the name of the app, HAPP. So I'm going to add the proxy details to the app. So manual inputs, I'm going to select socks. Then the name of the proxy, you can literally just call it anything. Let's just say FuProxy proxy. Then the server address is the connect IP/host. Copy it. Then the ports is the ports you go from the order. Then the user is the username. So I'm going to paste it in. Then password is the password. Click on done. So let me check if it's this one. So I'll connect. To connect, I'll just click on this power button. So I'm connected to the proxy. So this is how you can literally just buy a proxy from any country on FuProxy.com. So just to keep in mind, this 24 hours proxy lasts for 24 hours. So basically, when it has expired, you can come to FuProxy again to buy another proxy. So you can use this proxy to complete surveys, create accounts, run automations that you can't normally run using your own IP. So the proxies, they serve to you a lot of benefits. You can also avoid account bans because typically your IP can be flagged by social media platforms. So using a proxy can solve that. So if you face any issue, there's always a support that you can reach out to. So support.